In this video, we will learn how to install Zoom on laptop. So let's begin.
So to install the Zoom on Windows, simply go and open up your browser. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet and open up your browser and hit type in for Zoom download. So here we go, Zoom download, and search for it. Go to download center of zoom.us/download, and here click on download. And the download has started, and within few more moments the download will be completed. So wait for the process to complete. So here we go. Simply go and open up the installation folder of Zoom installer. So the installation process has started. Simply go and wait a bit for it. Allow if it asks for any permissions. And here within few more moments you would be able to see the first screen. Here you can see you can simply go and sign in, and if you want to join directly a meeting, there would be a code, that is meeting ID code, and you can join that. So hope it has helped you in installation of Zoom on Windows on desktop. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.